Good morning from a rainy day. Ooh, a rainy day. From a rainy day up in Maine, in the van. First meal of the day today consists of the overnight oats.
Yep, so cold brew overnight.
Oh yeah, we put cold brew in.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And added a little bit of honey this morning.
Yes, we put cold brew in. Let's get the first shot, first bite.
Oh, I got a lot of honey.
A lot of honey? Too much honey.
Oh my gosh, so good.
It's good?
Try it.
Oh yeah. More honey? Sure, I'll take. Just a bit of rain today. Great day to hang out in the van with the lights on though.
Oh, hello. You're not going outside. That's a funny joke.
We've been keeping the bed fully out
Yes.
now a little bit more because it's very nice.
And he likes it.
And Travis likes it. So, yeah. Next couple hours, we're just gonna be kind of hanging out in here.
Yes.
Under the bed, probably, yeah. Should we show everybody how we get under the bed these days?
Well, it's easier to get under the bed when the bed's out, which is weird. I get everything through 100% of the time.
So there's.
That doesn't even belong in that. There's that. These don't belong there. Damn it, Catherine.
So we have storage under there, under our bed. Full van tour coming soon, so everybody can really kind of understand how this living space works. But she's reaching under through the slats right now, trying to find a tape measure. We'll check back in when we find the tape measure. So today, since it's such a rainy day, Kate figured it was a good day to do a little painting project in the van. So she's painting right up along this ledge here. What is that? Charcoal?
No, I just use a really soft graphite pencil. Colored the back of the words so that when we stick this up here, we're gonna go over it around the lettering, and the graphite and or charcoal, whatever you use, will transfer off onto here, so I don't have to freehand anything because my handwriting is not as pretty as this. Okay, my fingers are dirty. And then I'm just gonna go over it with a regular pencil. I'm gonna outline everything and try not to push the other parts of it because I really only want to transfer the letters.
Right. Update. Finished the outlining. Time to peel it off. Oh, let me get the side.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's gonna look so cool once it's painted.
Cool.
Heck yeah. And the adventure begins. Time to paint it. Everybody, wish you good luck.
Oh no, I'm scared to do it.
No, you got it. Good luck.
All done.
Oh yeah. Oh, I love it. I really do.
Sick. I freaking love hummus. So good.
Dinner tonight starts with carrots and hummus, and might end with carrots and hummus, who knows? Unless we're gonna...
What am I gonna eat? I'm so happy and relaxed.
Travis has become a much more relaxed cat in the van.
Super cuddly all of the time.
Yeah.
Except for when he wants to chase squirrels, then he's a peanut.
I mean, when we're driving, he basically just sits in her lap. He's the best.
It's so nice that the lights back.
Yeah.
What a world of difference makes.
That's us, and we'll let you know if anything else fun happens tonight. For now, we're just gonna keep hanging in the van. What does everyone think of Kate's painting project? Personally, I love it.
It was really hard. I don't know why. It was really difficult.
Turned out well.
Thank you. What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, didn't see you there. Let me just put up my front curtain first.
I can't stand you.
Dinner time. So today we are featuring the van specialty, turkey wrap. We're doing turkey. Also, please take note of the surface that we're using as our countertop for mealtime is our bed.
Is this EcoShare approved?
We bought so much food and there's nothing left. So that I bought 2 packs of pudding and she didn't talk me out of it, and somehow we now have just lemon and vanilla pudding in the van, so that kind of sucks.
First of all, who would ever buy lemon pudding?
It's on. Alrighty, welcome back. I didn't have all my supplies ready. I didn't know we were recording the first ever Mark Thompson van dinner.
He did know because he told me to start recording it, but it's fine.
So, we're doing wraps. What we're doing, you take one wrap, put it down. You take the other wrap, you put it down. So, we usually do mayo. Tonight, hummus. You scoop more hummus right on the other one. Take the other side of your fork, spread it out a little bit. Okay, great. Next, cheese. You rip it in half. One piece, down. Other side, down.
I give that an 8 out of 10.
Whole slice, boom, down. We're using sharp cheddar. You can use your cheese of choice though. Okay, next, take your turkey. Put it down. Perfect, wraps are done. Then you roll them. It looked like a good first bite to me. The rest of our nights usually just focus on us petting Travis and playing with him because we love him. You're gonna do some, sorry, I just hit you.
Sorry, Bugger.
You're gonna do some reading?
Yeah.
Nice.
I've read one of her books. And it was awesome.
What was it? Let me get this. What's her name? Shari Lapina. Yep, so basically, here's our van at night. Pretty sweet. We are beyond excited to have these lights back. It makes the whole place feel so much better. But we're pretty much just going to be chilling for the rest of the night. Doing some reading. Editing some videos. Alright, but yeah, so another good day in the van. Maybe we'll check in later tonight. Maybe we won't. Alright, major news update. So it's been pouring rain all day. So we have these, I can't even really tell, but there's a hole right here for the wires to come down for the solar panel wires coming down. And we drilled this hole ourselves. We sealed it up ourselves. I noticed the last time that it rained that it was kind of dripping a little, or like there's a little, it felt a little damp up there. So like I was like, maybe like we need to reseal it. And update, my clothes, which sit right here, are now soaked because it was definitely leaking all day. So that now moves up to priority 1 task of reseal the hole, because we thought it was waterproof. We'll be up there sometime in the next couple of days doing a little bit of sealing up. But
Sorry, babe.
Fun stuff.
Angel baby.
Lights are still on. We're still hanging, but we're going to bed.